Buongiorno. Buongiorno, signore e signori. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Lamborghini. You know, Lamborghini has never been only a mid-rear engine super sports car company. In the beginning, in the 60s, there were first of all GT cars, and then 2+2s, and in the 80s, then there was the first luxury SUV, the LM002. We have 6 of them here on my left-hand side. And when we launched the Urus, we proved that an SUV could have the DNA of a super sports car. So the car is very successful. A lot of other manufacturers are entering into this segment. Performante. Ladies and gentlemen, the Lamborghini Urus Performante is lower, is wider, is lighter, and better performing than the Urus before. Thanks to the steel springs, the Urus is 20 millimeters lower, it's 16 millimeters larger. It's better in terms of handling because the center of gravity is lower. And the car is lighter by 47 kilos, also thanks to additional use of carbon fiber, like the one we have here, where you see a visible carbon fiber front engine bonnet, which you can also have without the visible carbon fiber. And this, so the reduction of weight of the 47 kilos linked to additional horsepower of 666 is leading to an incredible weight to power ratio of just 3.2 kilos per horsepower. But this is not ending here, because we call it design follows performance, where we reduce the drag, we increase the downforce of this car, thanks to a new front bumper where you have the, let's say, the air which is going more around the car. We have air outlets on the bonnet, and we also have a more important spoiler in the back, which is increasing, as I said, the downforce, especially in the back of the car, almost up to 40%. So very good in terms of driving behavior. And then we worked a lot also and improved the agility of the car. So on one hand side, we have the rear steer wheeling, turning, and we have on top of that the torque vectoring, and this in terms of agility and responsiveness is incredible. And all of this together, we wanted to prove somewhere. So we went to the Pikes Peak, so the famous hill climbing parkour, and we outbeat the record, which was there before, by 17 seconds.
Wow.
And this is really something, and it's very important for the car, because we always want to prove that performance is very important for us. So also, if this car is very much about performance, it's much more than the sum of its numbers. So it's about easy to drive, it's about the readiness, it's about fun to drive. This car is really something exceptional. And earlier this year, the Huracan Tecnica. Today is the launch of the Urus Performante, and we will have other surprises later this year. And then there is the big step for Automobile Lamborghini, because in the years 23 and 24, we are going to hybridize all of our lineup. So the year 23 especially is very important, because it will be the first hybrid car. It will be the follower of the Aventador, which will have a brand new V12 cylinder engine, and on top of that it will be a plug-in hybrid. But the brand or the company of the year 23 is very important for us, because this is also, or will be, the celebration of our 60th anniversary. So we have a second unveiling here today, which I will do right now. And here we have the logo and the claim of the 60th anniversary. So you see that the logo is remembering a bit, you know, the bulls like we have in our logo, and the claim, the future began in 1963, is the matter of fact that we as Lamborghini, we always look forward, we always look into the future.
Are they allowed on the stage yet? Okay, now they are. Oh, so now they're finally in the yeah. Why did you take her? This is why I got the franchise. Yeah.
Scary.
Why? Did I switch?
What? No, you don't get scared easy. You scare easy.